All right, so here we go. The little KTM 50. Somebody had been messing with the flywheel. I think they were using an impact to spin it over. The bolt inside is completely stripped. I think it looks like it had an Allen nut or an Allen socket inside maybe, and maybe an 8mm on the outside. Hard to tell because it's all round. And if you spin this around, you can see the gouges on the flywheel rotor assembly here where they were gouging it with something. So I think I got to drill that out. And I think the reason this needs to be replaced is if you look at that flywheel shouldn't be loose at all. And there's some divot marks in here. I think somebody was trying to pin it or something to lock it back in place. But I think this needs to be replaced. Brand new carburetor from Amazon. Yes, that is all the gas leaking out of the brand new carburetor. So definitely the Chinese carburetors are just as bad as the Italian carburetors. And just more adventures with the KTM 50. She'll probably be getting a new top end. I can't kickstart it to check the compression, but my experience has taught me that when somebody's using a drill at this point to spin the engine fast enough to start it, the engine's in poor shape. It's not, the compression's too low. It's not going to pick up what it needs to fire. It's probably good enough to run once it's started, but if you have to use a drill to start the bike, it's probably time for a rebuild. So hopefully I can source a cylinder and piston. I don't know how compatible the newer ones are with these ones. I've seen some China ones on eBay, so if that's an option, I'll go that route. If not, I don't know. She may get turned over to scrap. We'll see. Thanks for watching.